Welcome friends, my name is Yuri. Today we will do weekly market oil outlook. I will show you what's going on with oil because oil is important. Oil had dropped dramatically this night. Also, I will show you major currency pairs, Bitcoin, gold, oil, and I will answer on questions which you left on previous webinar. Friends, it's why right now you should push like, you should follow me on YouTube, you should subscribe right now, and let's start. But before we will start our analysis, I want to share with you my entries which I took on oil here, and that entries you can see I sent it to my VIP members, US oil, and many of those here took oil. Nice call. Friends, you need to understand that I have a signal service and also I have educational platform where you can trade better with me, because everything what I do when I send some signals, something like that, I do it on my personal account. It's not like some bullshit signal services where guys just in paint create their entries. Real entry on real account. I have many accounts which I manage. Example of two of them. 150k account, and friends, here is how much? This one is 320k account. Together in my management I have more than 500k more than 500,000. That's why, friends, you can follow and you can trust me in that case. Okay, let's start our webinar. And before, only one thing which I want to share with you. We start with major currency pairs as always, and after that we will go to another instruments. Here is for eurusd. You can see price broke down this channel. Next goal for eurusd is to this key level. Why it's important level? Because from this place price made all this drop. At this moment I do not recommend to open any entry currently, because price inside of this volatility. You can see this volatility. Why we open entry on oil with low and predictable risk? My risk was 35 pips. Why that entry is so accurate? Because here we have a border, we have a level from which price made really low. That's why for us it is the best place where we can trade. The same here. That's what you need to understand. Price hit key level, we have low predictable risk. That's what we will look on other charts, on other platforms. No entry on eurusd. British pound price came back to price came back to this key level from which you can see price dropped. Here at key level we can try to open by entry. First goal will be here, second goal will be here, because technically from this place price started uptrend, and also price broke up this trend line, and we see weakness of United States dollar. That's why nearly this key level there could be accurate entry. British pound Japanese, here is the next key level only here. Only if price will approach to this level properly, only there we will have accurate entry. Euro Japanese yen, technically price came out from this accumulation, and technically the downtrend. If the price will do a pullback to this level, we will be able to open sell. But if the price today will hit this level, there could be a pullback to this level. Why? Because you can see that price today already dropped down 246 pips. Average daily move ATR is 120 pips. That means price already dropped to ATR. Huge possibility of a pullback. Canadian, oh my god. Friends, about Canadian, no entry, better to be out. Japanese yen, price in powerful downtrend, best will be if there will be some pullback to open sell. I do not recommend you currently open buy entries because it's too risky. Best will be to open sell after a pullback. Example here, take a look how lucky I am. I had sell entry here, price hit my break even, and after that drop down. Sometimes that could happen, that's part of trading. Here about Swiss franc, friends, price already bounced from this key level, and at this moment it's so sad because it was 4 IM, price bounced from this area, and at this moment there is no entry, because if price will come back to this level and there will be a triangle with huge possibility it will break it down, because we have the powerful, very powerful trend. New Zealand and Australian, after this huge trap, they will continue uprise with huge possibility. Best will be to open buy entry after pullback into such area like this one, from which price bounced many times. Because here is why this place is important. Because when price dropped, it hit stop losses of so many people and activated many orders. For big players, it's the best place where they can accumulate volume. That's why after pullback, if it will happen, you can open sell. About Australian situation different. Also, big players hit so much stop losses. If the price will break it up, accumulate above, there will be accurate buy entry. Gold. Friends, gold currently in this range, there is no entry. In this range there is no entry. We have global uptrend. Why there is no entry? Because before we open entry, we need to ask ourselves, where will be our low predictable risk? From this place, price dropped 400 pips today. ATR 350, price already dropped down 450 pips. Oh my god. Better, if be honest, if there will be some retest of this low of this candle, better to be or to open up entry, open buy entry, because we have powerful uptrend. But currently there is no entries. Oil, you can see that I already opened sell entry at this key level, and my friends, with huge possibility price will continue drop. That's why I still hold that sell entry, because if you would open lower time frame, you would see it. Currently what we can do? Currently, with huge possibility, price can drop, and price will reload. Will do reload. If the price will do reload, at reload would be a good place to open buy entry. At this moment, I have two key places where I would like to open entries. First one is here. If there will be some formation like this one, price sharply drop to this key level, will do false breakout. It will be good buy entry. And second, if the price will do accumulation here, and after that eventually will break up this key level, also I would like to open buy entry here, because you can see from this place is important, because from this place price dropped 2 times. When price will break it up, this level will become a support. But at this moment there is sell picture, only sell picture. That's why I hold this sell entry, and you can see that I hold it here on this account, also on this account, on many accounts I hold oil entries, and also I sent it to my VIP members that entry. Okay, what else we can check? UK oil. UK oil is the same, with huge possibilities the price will come back into this area. After that, friends, to be honest with you, if the price will hit my take profit today, I will get more than 2% on all my accounts. And believe me, 2% for me it's huge amount of money for one day, and I will be able to take a good rest. I will go out from PC and I will have a good rest. Once more, what instruments? I would like to check it before you, because after such tales, it's so hard to understand where would be your accurate entry. Oh my god. Oh my god, friends. Currently, to be honest with you, British pound Singaporean. That's the reason for you why you should follow me on TradingView, because take a look here. When price was at this key level, we sent this sell idea and price already dropped down, dropped 180 pips. At this moment, friends, how you can open entry at this moment? There is no entry. Done. Done. We done with entries here. Oh my god. Once more, friends, at this moment all market too volatile, we have too much volatility. At this moment I expect that oil will continue drop, and here at this key level, if there will be real low, we will be able to try to open by entry with low predictable risk. And once more here, that's all what I see at this moment on all major currency pairs, on all major instruments. Gold in this range, and it's not good to trade gold currently. Too much, friends, too much volatility. Believe me, better to be, you can trade only powerful levels from which price can did something important. And few words about Bitcoin and indexes also. We check indexes and Bitcoin. There are only one key level, you can see Euro Japanese yen here. If there will be false breakout, like I told you, there could be by entry. And also here also is another key level. As you see, I set alerts and waits. That's all what we can do. Euro and trading plans, Bitcoin. Friends, about Bitcoin also, this situation, you remember that we spoke about buy here, but you can see that eventually price continued this trend. Technically, from this place, price started this uprise. Technically, if you would open buy at this level, that would be accurate place, and you can hold it till 8,400. And after that, what you need to understand, we are in this downtrend. It is a local downtrend, and when we are in local downtrend, always will be the best to find entries after pullback to continue that trend, because at this moment there is no signal that price will change its direction. Why? Because take a look here. For you is an example here how price changed its direction. Price approached this powerful level, and after that price bounced from this powerful level. At this moment, this level, it is not the most powerful one which I saw before in my whole trading career. That's why at this moment we should wait for something like first there must be or accumulation, and after that price will stop uprise, or there must be some powerful level like here from which price started all this uprise, and only near this level price can change its direction. That's all. That's why about Bitcoin it's hard to trade it currently. Friends, thank you for your time. Have a good trading. Don't forget to push like right now, and friends, below this video you will find a contact of my team, of my assistant, and right now I recommend to you to write about VIP signal service or education, because you saw what we it's example for you what we trade on real accounts, more than 500k under management. Friends, for you need to understand what we do, it's only on real accounts. That's why join my team, join my trading family, and let's trade markets together. Bye.